if you're so good with social media, make sure that you're not using social media just so people can say, wow, I love your interest. Oh, I love you bought this thing. Oh, I love you doing that. That would be the wrong reason to use social media. Many years ago, I focused so much on social media while I was brainstorming about what can I post so people are not going to forget about me. That people will say, wow, that interest is cool, or wow, that interest is impressive. I can't believe now that I was really brainstorming about it for such a long time sometimes. Like, why would I care if they would forget about me or not, or that they would find this interesting or impressive, or like, doesn't matter to me now what they think, right? I appreciate likes, but that's not the thing I'm waiting for when I post. That's not the thing that's going to make my day successful. No. So you want to use social media effectively, right? For purpose and profit. If you use social media as a form of exposure to promote yourself as a brand, your mission, your purpose, your company, your business, then yes, social media is fantastic because of social media, you can gain a lot of exposure in a short period of time. People can know about you, what you stand for. So you can gain success and financial success. So definitely use social media for profit and for purpose. Only in that way you can convert likes into money, right? If you just post randomly because you want to impress others, because you want those likes so you can feel good about yourself, it's not really moving you forward, right? You're outsourcing your happiness. You only tell yourself your day has been a successful day after you've achieved X amount of likes. So that's not how you want to spend your life, and that's not how you want to spend your time. So stay more mindful when you use social media. Be effective with your use. If you're good at social media, use it effectively. Social media can be good, but then use it for good. If you're good with Facebook, good with Instagram, you know exactly all those options, how it works, how you can promote your account maybe, then go for it. Find out what it is that you want to promote, who you are. Do you want to promote yourself, your mission, what is it exactly? And then convert the likes for money, for success. But if you don't, then you cannot go to the bank and exchange likes for money. That's not how it works. You need to promote something, a specific purpose. You need to then gather a following who's going to promote you, who will want to know what you stand for. People will say, you inspire me. What else do you have to share? Please, I'm waiting for your next post. That's what you want to create for yourself. That's how you can leverage social media. That's how you can make social media improve your life. That's how you allow social media to enhance your own life. So use social media effectively, especially when I see a lot of people who are so busy like me a long time ago, brainstorming about what they should post so they will be appreciated and respected by their peers. I'm like, look, you're good at social media. Leverage social media. Leverage the power of social media. Use it more effectively and efficiently. Let social media help you to grow yourself. Let social media help you to become the person you want to become, to promote the thing you love to do. Expose yourself, expose your talents, do something effectively, because social media is very powerful. And if you're good at it, then you already have a competitive advantage. So purpose and profit. Use social media for success, not to impress others. Have a particular intention when you use social media. Post with intention. Post not just because you want those likes. Post because you want for people to appreciate and love and like what you stand for, what you sell, what you are all about. Think about that. How can you leverage the power of social media? Very important, especially if you're already good at it.